Hey, Susan here, and only a week ago I started the site EPUB Tech Reviews on Solo Build It, and I'm working my way across the menu bars trying to fill in the pages. I've been working 14-hour days, and you can probably tell with the bags under my eyes, but I'm happy to do this because I love anything to do with computers, technology and all that. So I'm picking on this AI writing tools page, which is this. As you can see, it's very sparse. So I've decided I need to add more content to this. So I don't want to disappoint people. I don't want them clicking away as soon as they arrive. And we're going to go over to Quick Write on that side of the screen. Normally I would have a full page, full screen open and not split like I've got it right now, because what I'm going to create here in Quick Write will be put over into Rank IQ. So over at Rank IQ, I ran a report on ChatGPT, DALL-E, AI and Jasper. In order to rank ultra fast, that's medium competition, I need to have content target of only a B+ and 1500 word count. So I'm going to go to the content, wait a minute. This is the content analysis that Google wants me to cover, the topics. Okay, all this need to be covered. As many as you can. And I am now going to go to the content optimizer. And I just wrote in this a few minutes ago, welcome to the AI Writing Tool Software Reviews page. Blah, 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 blah. And then I decided, let's make a video recording of this. Over now in Quick Write, I click the little feather here, the quill, and I'm going to title this AI Writing Tools Addendum. So that's now been titled, it's been saved. I shall prove that by going here, and you can see I will be under Quick Write. Well, it's not very good, is it? It looks like I've lost it. Alrighty then, let's go back. Oh, I know what I did. I didn't save it. So I'll create the new project again. And I'll call it, I didn't do the save document, the yellow bar. What did we call it? AI Writing Tools Addendum. Save the document. I can see there up at the top, it's saving it. And let's go and check. There you go. It's in my list of things, other projects that I've worked on. So again, the aim is to beef this up. So, on my EPUB Tech Reviews page, I have Jasper. So I've already written the Jasper review, but I want to add to this page something about Jasper. So I'll select the content. It's definitely non-fiction. So I'll pick non-fiction for now. I want to create not an outline. How about just a description for now? Bad choice. Create something else. Power editor. I am using write a few paragraphs on how Jasper, formerly Jarvis, came into being and what Jasper is primarily used for. Hit the green generate content button and the copy will magically appear here. Oops, I was going to get a swig of coffee there, I'll have to wait. Here we go. I am going to suggest that they feature a function that will, because I'm lazy, that will scroll automatically, but you know, first world problem, right? So here we go. Jasper, formerly known as Jarvis, was created by a team of engineers. The system was initially released. Its combination, blah, blah, blah. Right, I like that. So what I'm going to do is copy that and just stick it here for now. You'll notice that type is very small. I'm old, so I like to see it bigger. So here we go. So I'm going to leave that there for now. No, we're at the grade of F right now, which is not surprising because none of these. The only thing that's incorporated so far is machine learning. The next is ChatGPT. Write a few paragraphs on how ChatGPT by Open came into being and what ChatGPT is primarily used for. Now, whenever you find something in that middle column that you like, immediately paste it over into the Save Document area, because as soon as I hit Save Document, that will all disappear. If I click Generate Content Now, again, that will disappear, which is fine. So it's going to generate the content for that Power Editor query. And again, I'm going to copy and paste that over into RankIQ. And here we go. Now I'm going to have a quick swig. Coconut flavoured coffee, love it. I like anything to do with the tropics, that's why I live in Florida. Right, so I'm going to copy this over into here. I'm also going to paste it over into here. And of course that's going to be the small tiny type again. Small tiny little indiscreet type. So there we go. And I'll just put here a subhead of ChatGPT and H2. Right. I'll put here Jasper H2 large. So we're still in an F, which is not surprising. I'm going to now leave Quick Write on its own because I just want to show you how we're going to do something with this, so to speak. So I'll make that full page actually. Oh, I'm not used to having such a wide screen. Pardon me a minute. I'm going to shift this over here and oh, Susan, stop messing around. We're now going to make this incorporate that and increase this grade level in RankIQ. And Jasper AI Watch was born. The system was initially released as an open source. Wow, back in 2011. Oh, by the way, yes, as stated in other videos, I do have the extension of mine's Pro Writing Aid. Oh, no, that's Grammarly. I beg your pardon. I do have Pro Writing Aid. I might have that turned off because I was getting conflicting things. Jasper is formerly I've got ChatGPT there. It's surprising that that didn't pick it up. The system was released. Jasper is used to build automated systems that can understand and respond to human complex queries. Jasper has also recently released Jasper Art, which uses AI's, look at that, deep learning algorithms, deep algorithms to create images. How? You simply type in text that describes what you want your image to resemble, and Jasper Art creates it for you. Ideal to use in, watch at the top there, top right, blog posts. We're still at an F. Not surprised. But you can see how I'm adding my own stuff to it. This is far, far from what I'm going to use yet, because you'll get duplicate interactive language applications, natural language processing. You know, I've got to make sure it's not so robotic sounding that people will go like, I don't want to read this, you know. If you find it boring reading what it is on the page, I can guarantee you other people will also find the stuff to be boring, so don't be boring. ChatGPT is a natural blah 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 blah, developed by OpenAI. It's created with the goal of conversational agent that could interact. Yeah, little chat boxes. Variety of applications, customer support. Personally, I've used ChatGPT to aid me in writing fiction. Let's make that bigger, then you can actually see what I'm doing, or I can see what I'm doing. Oh, for crying out loud. One of those days. Come on. Let's get that part of it. There we go. I'll make sure I'm there. First, I've used ChatGPT. How so? The more obscure you are in describing a character, you can certainly use ChatGPT as a great AI. Watch over there, AI writer. That sounded, oh, AI tool, AI tool. I was able to keep all my queries here, prompts. So I'll keep all my queries prompts in one long column on one page, and ChatGPT was able to reference it as I went along. I'm using Camtasia, by the way, to record this, so I shall do a pause. I'm just coming back online again now, just to show you that I'm at an A. I've rewritten a lot of stuff. These are the keywords I've got in green. And I'm going to put the unused. I'm going to head on back over to Firefox. I've just typed in here, write a few paragraphs on how RankIQ came into being and what it is primarily used for. We'll generate the content there. I'll pull this open a bit. Misgenerating it, I'm working on it. There we go. Some good information there I can use. Oops, daisy. Shoot. This is what annoys me with that. Let's just see that I did actually copy that. No, I know I hadn't. Select all, copy, paste, right. Save the document, which means I'm going to lose this now. It's not a huge problem. Then when I save the document, it saves it to the cloud, and then what I've asked for here goes away. It clears it away. I'll just leave that for now because I'm not using it for now. My favourite word for now. So I'm going to just paste this in here. And we're at 11:29. I'm still short on the word, so I'll pause this again and come back, okay? I'm back again just to show you that even though QuickWrite came up with RankIQ was founded in 2014, I thought, I'm going to check that. So I am a member of RankIQ, and so I typed in, when was RankIQ founded? And it was founded in 2020, based in the Woodlands, Texas. And who is the founder? It should be Brandon Gailey. So there we go. I'm at the right place here, because I don't want there to be two things called RankIQ. That would be embarrassing. But there you go. It also contains a library of the lowest competition, high traffic keywords for every niche or niche. I'm going to go back to here now, and I copied that line. I'm going to pause it again just to show you that you must check everything. Pausing it again. And we're back. I'm happy with this page. It's now an A++ from an F. And these are the keywords I haven't used, but these are the ones that I have. Your aim is to use the ones at the top of the list, because again, use the keywords shown at the top. And so far I'm at 1321 words. This is not a review, so I'm okay with posting this on the existing page. And I just wanted to show you what it looks like as you go along while you're using RankIQ. So basically you could call this a review on RankIQ as well. So I'm going to leave it at that for now. Then this video isn't going on forever. Plus it's getting close to lunchtime and my stomach's grumbling a bit. See you soon. Please subscribe so you don't miss out on any more videos coming out. Okay? Thanks.